Hi guys, we're out at Webb's Heath, which is a relatively peaceful bit of land. No dogs just here at the moment, but there is a bit of wind. So, we're going to try the rockets. I'll put my hat camera on. With a bit of luck, my wife will film me from the car over there, and we'll see how we get on. Right, the wind is likely to knock these over, so well, we'll go for it. People have asked why I don't use faster reacting stuff. Well, I don't want it any faster. I want time to be able to set it up. Oh. That is too windy. It's going to be a problem. Ah! Knew it. Oh well. Right, that was the Superdent, which doesn't go very far. I deliberately put a bit more water in them in the hope that that would hold them on the ground, stabilise them in the wind. Okay. Yeah. Well, we'll try the silver one again. We had the misfire. It's rocking around in the wind. Oh, it's doing it again. Why does that one rock so much in the wind? Yeah, well, there we go. All four of them worked. The only other thing I wanted to do was put some grease on this one, the Superdent one, see if that increases the seal and makes it build up a bit more pressure. So I've got some Vaseline. Smear that round the edge. See if that will improve the seal. No, is the answer. Well, we've tried it and it didn't make any difference, or at least it certainly didn't improve it. So that's it. That'll do for today.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.